everyone! Magandang gabi or good evening and happy Valentine's Day! Tonight, let's review how to say I love you and I miss you in Tagalog, and also let's learn how to say, let's learn a few phrases if you want to go out on a date. Let's start. To say I love you in Tagalog, mahal kita. Mahal kita. Mahal kita. Mahal kita. And if you wanna say I love you so much, you can say mahal na mahal kita. Mahal na mahal kita. Or you can also say mahal kita sobra. Sobra. That also means so much. And if you wanna say I miss you, miss kita. Miss kita. Miss kita. Or you can say, miss na kita. Miss na kita. Miss kita or miss na kita. And if you wanna say, I miss you so much, miss na kita sobra. Or you can also say, miss na kita. Miss na kita. Or miss kita sobra. And what about you wanna ask someone to go out with you? Let's go out. Labas tayo. Labas tayo. Labas. Bas. Tayo. Labas tayo. Let's go out. Let's go out. Labas tayo. Okay. Or yes, oo. And for yes, no, maybe, you can click here or check here. And if you wanna say, sorry but I can't. Sorry, pero, but, I can't. Hindi ako pwede. Sorry, pero, hindi ako pwede. And if you wanna say flowers for you, roses for you, chocolates for you, you can check the link below. That's our previous video. And if you wanna ask what time, anong oras, anong oras, anong oras, what time. And last, to greet someone a happy Valentine's Day, just say happy Valentine's Day. So, those are our Tagalog phrases and words. Bye! Happy Valentine's Day!